Introduction about layer and relevant properties. Selecting screen. Once you tick the option multiple, you can select as many screens as you want. After that, you can also tick one or several screens to the physical screen. On the right side of the layer page, select the Input tab, and then you can drag an input into the program area. Here, a BKG or logo uploaded previously could also be an input. Layers. Quick settings. There are some buttons for quick settings, like you can align the layers to the left, right, top, bottom, or to the vertical or horizontal center. You can set priority of a layer over another one. You can adjust the layer size, like change aspect ratio, extend the layer horizontally, vertically, or to the full screen, or like zoom in and zoom out. You can arrange all layers in a certain layout. We provide you here with several templates. What if there are some layers you don't want anymore? Choose them all and delete in once. Or if you regret, then withdraw. Contents in preview can be swapped or taken to the physical screen. T-bar on U3 also helps you simplify this process. For switch effects, you can go with fade in and fade out. Straight cut would also be fine if you don't need any effects. There are also freeze, fade to black, and presets. Now, let's have a look at what we have for further settings. Further settings. Both preview and program can be found, and options for both two are about the same. So let's just take preview as an example. Select a certain layer and get into the general. Here you can change its name, rotate it by 90, 180, or 270 degrees, or set it as a BKG. Frames can also be adjusted in terms of height and width. Available colors for frames are like red, green, blue, etc., or a mix out of them. You can also mask the layer. This helps when there are like some black areas at the edge. You can adjust aspect ratio in layout, like 16:9, 16:10, some other patterns, or you can self-define one. Setting layer size or other properties are also achievable. In color, contrast, brightness, hue, saturation can be adjusted the way you need, or simply be set to the default. You can also find monochrome or invert colors on this interface. In input, you can find no source. This helps when you have no source but still want to display something. When it's on, you can push a pure color or change their opacity. More colors are available in color bar. Settings for program are just about the same as those for preview. You can discover it yourself. All take or all cut for preview and aux preview are available. Presets for layers. After finishing all settings for screens and layers, save them in presets. You can decide presets X for your contents. You can rename it or cover the contents you want. Please note, all functions on the Triton interface consist with those on U3. The only difference is presets and layers can be directly checked and edited on the touchscreen on U3.